Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the word island in English. So here's the phonemic script taken from the Cambridge Dictionary Online. And the first thing we need to notice is that this word is broken down into two syllables. The blue mark on the left at the top also tells us that the first syllable is the strongest syllable, island. So that first syllable then, it's a double vowel, I. So what you need is some movement in the shape of your mouth in order to pronounce this correctly. Repeat after me, I. With that second syllable then, we begin with the L, and we've got this schwa sound afterwards, L. And then the last two sounds that contribute to the syllable are the N, the N, and the D. So and. And that should have vibration in both the nose and then the throat. So putting that syllable back together, lund, lund. Putting the whole word back together then, we have island, island, island. And hopefully what you've noticed there is that we are not pronouncing that S. That is a silent S. So if you say Iceland, you in English will be saying the name of a country, a different country. An island, as the word is pronounced here, is a piece of land surrounded by water. So take care. Remember, no S in this word. Silent S. Island. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.